I'm up here playing at Apex with the little toy. I'll put this thing up against anybody's dirt bike or quad. I'll race you for pinks. Oh. Oh, dang it. Trying to hold this phone. I forgot about that little... Ooh. I don't think she's gonna be happy with me. Where'd it launch? It launched somewhere right here. If I was using two hands, I probably could have flipped through it. Oh. Let's see how bad it is. Not too bad. I wish I had two hands. Yeah, one hand with this. Oh. Oh man. All right. This thing takes two hands. It's too fast.